How to switch accounts in Google Chrome browser on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can switch accounts on the Google Chrome browser on your Android phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have Google Chrome browser installed and then you have a Google account already logged in by default, let's say you just want to switch the account, make sure that you're on the home page of your Google Chrome browser, and it's very easy to switch accounts. All you have to do is tap the Google profile photo from the top right of your Google home page. After you've done that, you'll see the current profile where you have to tap the manage accounts option, and when you tap the manage accounts option, over here you can see manage your Google account or manage accounts on this device. If you have some other accounts available here, you would be able to find those options, and then you can simply select those accounts in order to log in successfully. If you haven't also added, you can just tap the manage accounts on this device and make sure to add another account so that you can log into those accounts. So this way you'll be able to switch accounts on Google Chrome browser on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.